You can boost your body's natural collagen production with a simple daily habit. Let me explain. For years, people have been raving about collagen supplements, but what if I told you there's a more effective and budget-friendly alternative, the gelatin trick? My friend recently made the switch from collagen supplements to the gelatin trick and noticed a significant difference in her skin and joint health. Researchers say that gelatin contains amino acids that stimulate collagen production, giving you that radiant glow and healthier joints. When you incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you'll start to notice the difference in how your body feels. You'll wake up with more energy, your skin will look smoother, and those pesky joint pains will start to fade away. The gelatin trick is all about harnessing the power of gelatin to supercharge your body's collagen production, and it's incredibly easy to do. To get started with the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description for a comprehensive guide on how to make it a part of your daily routine. For more tips and tricks on incorporating the gelatin trick into your lifestyle, head to the pinned comment below where I've shared some of my favorite recipes and hacks.